Got a 2014 Toyota Camry with some major door noise. This is creaking and popping every time you open or close it. So let's get in there and get a closer look and see if we can get this figured out. Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. My friend just texted me and said that their Camry is making a lot of noise every time they open and close the door. Here's the video that they sent me. Definitely sounds like the door check strap, so I said bring it on over, let's take a look. Let's see if we can duplicate that noise. Yeah, you can see it's really loud and it looks like it's coming from the door check strap here, or the door check bar. Now, sometimes these will malfunction and not hold the door open properly, but sometimes they just come loose. Yep, it looks like this one is loose on the side of the door. These two bolts have just come loose over time. Now, this is a 2014, so it's been on the road about 10 years, and this is actually a pretty common problem. I'm surprised that they don't have some thread locker or something on there to hold those in place, but should be an easy fix. So let's go ahead and just take those out and put some thread locker on there and put them back in, get them tightened back up. Now, if you didn't have a door check strap in place, this door would just slam shut on you, especially if you're on a slight incline or in any wind. So it's designed to stop the door at little intervals, and that's why you hear those 3 pops. That's the intervals of that door check strap. Now, it's also designed to limit how far the door opens. If you didn't have the door check strap, your door would open or bend past the point of the hinge, or what is designed to. Now, if your door check goes bad and it no longer holds the door open, you'll need to replace it. The aftermarket ones are pretty inexpensive and they seem to work just fine. About 20 bucks for an aftermarket. Now, the Toyota brand from the dealer is probably going to be closer to $100, but that's fine too if you want to go that route. In order to replace the door check, you are going to have to take off the door panel. So unfortunately, that's a little bit more work, but it's really not that difficult. Usually just a few screws that will hold the door in place. You'll also have the door latch, and then you'll just have several tabs around the perimeter that you can just unsnap and lift the door panel off. Usually a plastic protector on the inside you may need to peel back a little bit, and you might even need to remove the speaker in order to take that door check out. But there's just the 2 bolts that hold the door check to the door, and then there's just one more 10mm bolt on the other side. In our case, we got pretty lucky. It was just the loose bolts on the door side, and so I'm just taking these out one at a time and putting some thread locker on there, just using the medium strength from Permatex, and putting these back in and making this nice and snug. Really quick and easy fix. This should now be nice and quiet. Let's go ahead and test it. There you go, good as new, nice and quiet, working exactly as it should. Now, they're not always all this easy, but sometimes you do get lucky, so I would definitely recommend you take a closer look. A lot of times you can find that noise. It might be an issue with your hinge, it could be with this door check. Sometimes it's even just the door itself scraping the fender on the base. Just get down in there a little bit closer, see if you can isolate that noise, find out where it's coming from. In this case, just a couple loose bolts and we're good to go. I hope you guys liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. Now, no parts required really on this one, but I'll get a link in the description where you can find a replacement door check along with these tools and that thread locker as well. Thanks so much for watching and good luck.